everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. This is just a small unboxing I'm going to do. My SA in Minneapolis sent me a picture of something again, and I had to have it. It's what I've been doing is I've been trying to get pieces from Chanel that I don't already have. So I try not to have any duplicates of anything, and I'm trying to get everything in the colors that I wanted. So here's how it came. It came boxed really nice. They always box it really safe. I'm always very pleased with it. So it comes in this cardboard box to reveal. I'm so excited, another little SLG. So they, again, wrap it really nicely in the plastic wrap. And I told her I wanted this. She's, that was on Wednesday. She charged it for me, put it in the mail, and it was supposed to be delivered yesterday. I don't even want to talk about UPS and their delivery. So I did not get it until today, which is Friday, which is fine. No problem. I had to go pick it up, but I don't care. I have this. It's got just the nice feeling Chanel box. So it's got the little thank you, and I know that the receipt is in there. She's from Nordstrom's. And here's my pretty little flower that I love. And then the beautiful Chanel ribbon. Oop. To reveal something I wanted for a long time. And I was always waiting for the right color. She must have sent me about 10 or 15 of these already. And I kept telling her no, so much so that I think she probably thought I was never going to buy one. But she found the right color. Here is my new Chanel with the lambskin round coin case. And then the inside is special this year. It has this special little printing inside there. So it's got that. And I've wanted a round coin purse. I love it that the inside is a little bit different. So I have that. And then here's it's got the little tag. It says it's called white metal, dark blue and pink. Here's the coin purse. The price and everything is on there. And then here's my little other receipts and care booklets and things like that about it. So, and then my authenticity card is right here, and it's a 27 series. So yeah, that's it. That's just my little Chanel round coin purse reveal. Coming up, I'm going to have a unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I went and bought myself a bag I've been wanting forever, so that'll be coming up soon. But in the meantime, here's my new little addition to my Chanel collection. Thank you all for watching. Remember, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. And until next time, I'll see you later.